So let's go over how to buy Drip. First thing you need to do is get a crypto wallet in order to be able to buy Drip. Now, I would prefer to use MetaMask as that has been the most user-friendly in my experience with the Drip contract. You can get MetaMask on the Apple App Store or through the Google Play Store, and there's also a Chrome extension version if you prefer to use it on a laptop or computer. If you're new to crypto wallets, you need to create a new wallet and make sure to save the seed phrase and never share that seed phrase with anybody. Okay, so now that you have the MetaMask wallet app on your phone or either on your computer device, I'm going to walk you through exactly the steps that you will need to take in order to go ahead and get your hands on some Drip tokens. So right when you download the app, it's going to tell you here at the bottom to get started. You'll click get started and you'll be left with two options. The first option is to import using a security recovery phrase. This is the seed phrase or the 12-word seed phrase that you would need to import if you have an already existing cryptocurrency wallet. If you're new to crypto or you want to go ahead and utilize a new wallet, you're going to want to go ahead and click on create a new wallet. After this, you're going to want to go ahead and set up a new password that you can go ahead and use to access the app when you log back in. You can also enable a sign-on with Face ID, and you're going to want to make sure to click I understand that MetaMask cannot recover this password for me. So you're going to want to go ahead and click on create password. After that, it's going to go ahead and walk you through how to secure your wallet and your security phrase. You're going to want to go ahead and click on start once you've watched that, and click on start. Once you do this, it's going to have you tap to reveal your security recovery phrase. So you want to make sure to not share this recovery phrase with anybody. It doesn't matter if they claim they're tech support or the developer of a project. You will never share the seed phrase with anybody ever. Once you view it, you're going to want to write this down on paper and not keep a digital copy so people can get access to it. And once you've written down that paper version, you're going to want to go ahead and store that away safely. So if you ever need to import your wallet elsewhere or you need to access it at some other location, you'll have access to that seed phrase. After you confirm your seed phrase by re-entering the seed phrase they've given you, you will get this message letting you know, congratulations, you've successfully protected your wallet. And you're going to want to go ahead and click on done. Once you do that, it's going to take you to this page, which shows you your account name, which you can go ahead and change by hovering over the name there if you want to change the name. Right below that, it shows you the value in tokens that you have in this wallet. And then down below that, the string of numbers is going to be your wallet address, which is what you're going to need to go ahead and copy in order to go ahead and send tokens into this wallet. Now, down below, it's going to show your Ethereum balance that you have in this wallet. The default for MetaMask is going to be on the Ethereum main network, but we want to make sure you're on the Binance Smart Chain main network in order to go ahead and access your tokens. So in order to go ahead and add the Binance Smart Chain to your MetaMask wallet, you'll click the three lines in the top left corner that you can see on your screen. Once you click that, you're going to want to go down to the settings tab, click on settings. Then you're going to want to go ahead and look down on the networks tab, which is the fifth option down. When you click on network, you're going to see the Ethereum main network as well as 4 other networks that are available. Now, where mine says RPC networks, you won't have that option there quite yet. You're going to want to go ahead and add that Binance Smart Chain mainnet because it should not be appearing on your MetaMask yet. To go ahead and add that, you'll click on add network, and then you're going to want to go ahead and fill out the network name, RPC URL, chain ID, symbol, and block explorer URL here to go ahead and add the Binance Smart Chain mainnet. You can get that information by what is appearing on your screen now that I've already implemented onto my wallet. You're going to want to go ahead and make sure specifically that your RPC URL, your chain ID, and your block explorer URL is exactly the same character for character, otherwise you can have problems with loading BNB into your network. Once you've gone ahead and clicked add at the bottom of the screen after adding all the information, the Binance Smart Chain mainnet should then appear under your RPC networks. Once you close out of the settings tab and go back to your home page, you can go ahead to the top where it says wallet and verify that you were on the Binance Smart Chain mainnet by scrolling down and clicking Binance Smart Chain mainnet. Then the tokens that appear should now show 0 BNB rather than 0 Ethereum. And at that point, you've got your MetaMask all set up and ready for adding funds to the wallet. Once you have your wallet all set up as we just went over, you'll need to go ahead and fund it with some Smart Chain BNB. You can buy BNB on several different cryptocurrency exchanges such as Crypto.com, Binance, and Binance US for US residents, KuCoin, and several other cryptocurrency platforms. You will need to set up an account with one of these platforms in order to purchase BNB. Do note though that if you decide to purchase directly out of one of these exchanges, especially if using a credit or debit card, there is usually a wait period of about 7 to 10 business days before you will be able to send any purchased crypto out of the exchange and into your wallet. You can avoid this by buying another crypto elsewhere and sending it to the exchange to sell for USD or USDT and buying BNB that way in order to do a same day buy and send. And one of the ways that you can do this is utilizing Cash App, which allows you to buy Bitcoin directly with a debit or credit card, but does have a limit of sending $2,000 of Bitcoin out of Cash App every 24 hours. You can send your purchased Bitcoin to one of the exchanges that holds BNB to sell your Bitcoin and then use those funds to buy BNB. If you would prefer not to use one of the exchanges, you can also get BNB using MoonPay or Simplex on Trust Wallet or the SafeMoon wallet, and then sending your purchased BNB directly to your MetaMask wallet once it has landed in the SafeMoon or Trust Wallet app. To send BNB to your MetaMask wallet, you will need to copy your MetaMask wallet address, which is the long string of letters and numbers below your balance within the app or Chrome extension. That will be the address you will put in when sending your BNB. It is important to note that you should only send BNB to MetaMask wallet on the Binance Smart Chain, which is the BEP20 chain and not the BEP2, or you could lose your funds. I usually suggest a test run of a smaller amount before sending the rest of your tokens to verify you are sending to the right place the right way. Once you have your funds, you can purchase Drip using the native DEX or PancakeSwap, where you will swap your BNB for Drip. Now, if you're on a desktop version using the Chrome browser, you're going to simply do this by going to the Pancake website, which will be in the description of this video, or to the native DEX of Drip, which will also be in the description of this video, and connecting your wallet on that website. For those of you who are using the app-based version of MetaMask, you're going to want to go ahead and click on the three lines in the top left corner, go to the browser tab, and then you're going to want to go ahead and type in the URL that will also be in the description of this video here in the URL. First, I'll show you guys how to utilize the native DEX. Once you've gone to the Drip website, you're going to want to go ahead and click on Trade. Once you click on Trade, you're going to see now an option to buy and sell your Drip tokens. However, in order to do this, you're going to go ahead and need to connect your wallet. Three lines in the top right of the Drip Network menu. This will show you an option to connect your wallet. You'll click on Connect Wallet. You'll go ahead and click on Connect, and then to verify, you'll click the drop down to see that your wallet is properly connected. At that point, when you scroll down, you'll see here that on the Buy Drip and Sell Drip, your BNB balance will be applied here. So if you have BNB in your wallet, on the Wallet tab here, you should see the amount of BNB that you currently hold, which should reflect the exact same when you go to the browser and you've connected your wallet into the Drip app. At that point, you can go ahead and type in how much BNB you would like to purchase. At that point, it will give you the approximate amount of Drip that you will be earning at that amount. At that point, you're going to go ahead and click on Buy. There should be a little bit of a delay before you'll get the pop-up that you have successfully made a Drip purchase. After that, you should see your Drip balance appear under the Sell Drip where the Drip balance is listed. Once you've successfully been able to buy your Drip tokens and they now appear under the Drip balance under the Sell Drip, you're going to want to click the three lines again and go over to the Faucet contract. Once you're on the Faucet contract, it will show you the 6 different information icons about your Faucet deposit. If you scroll down here, this is where you'll actually go ahead and make a deposit of Drip. You can go ahead and click the max button to put the maximum amount of Drip that's in your balance into the deposit. And remember that there is a 10% tax when depositing into Drip. Below the deposit is where you'll actually click on the hydrate and the claim buttons when you want to either hydrate your tokens or claim them out of the Faucet contract. In order to go ahead and make a deposit, however, you need to have a buddy code. So if you scroll down here where it says get a buddy under current buddy, there should be nothing listed. This is where you're going to go ahead and paste your buddy address is under the buddy wallet address here. So go ahead and place your buddy address right here in the drop down, and you'll want to go ahead and click on update. Once you've successfully been able to add a buddy, you'll go ahead to the top here and be able to successfully deposit your tokens. Once you do so, you should see under the deposits tab the amount of Drip tokens you have successfully been able to deposit, and immediately following, you should start to see the available balance of your Drip tokens starting to increase. If you'd rather buy through the PancakeSwap, you can go ahead and go to pancakeswap.finance, which there will be a link for in the description of this video. You'll go ahead and click on Connect Wallet, click on MetaMask to connect your wallet, and then scroll in here and under Cake, you're going to want to go ahead and paste the Drip token contract address here. I will of course include the Drip contract in the description of this video. You'll go ahead and click on Import, click that you understand, and import that token. The process to go ahead and switch this is the exact same as using the native DEX, with one exception. You're going to want to go ahead and click on the Settings tab and make sure you set your slippage to 12%. This is to factor in the 10% tokenomics fee that goes along with the Drip token. After that, you'll successfully be able to choose the amount of BNB you would like to go ahead and swap for Drip and swap those tokens. Once you swap those tokens, the process is the exact same for the Faucet contract as it was if you swapped using the native DEX. However, if you utilize their built-in DEX on their website, the 10% buy tax is actually waived. Because of this, the price in their native DEX is usually a bit higher than the price on PancakeSwap because of the demand factor of people preferring the native DEX over PancakeSwap because of that 10% discount. You might want to compare the differences between the two prices before you choose which DEX you're going to use when you purchase Drip tokens. Speaking of the two DEXs, Drip was built with what the devs call a sword and shield pairing, where the native DEX LP is actually paired with BNB and the PancakeSwap DEX LP is actually paired with BUSD, where both liquidity pools are permanently locked. And that covers pretty much everything. If you came this far into the video, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and consider being a member. And of course, if you are new to Drip, consider using my buddy code and becoming a member of my team. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.